Today we will be talking about how to dismantle or disassemble and install a Raspberry Pi 3B or 3B Plus board on one of these Raspberry Pi official cases. My name is Bhaskar from PiBOX India, and let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the Raspberry Pi official case. It comes in two colors. This is the white with red, and this is the black, complete black case. This case is modular by design, and it has a total of 5 pieces. So these two pieces comprises the top, and this is the base of the case, and these two are the sides of the case. And inside the case you would find a small Ziploc bag which contains these small little plastic right here, which is I would explain as to where this would fit in when I disassemble the case. And this 4 dots would actually go on the bottom portion of the case. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are this grip gel that needs to be removed and installed here. So that kind of holds the Pi in place when you're trying to push it. What you would need to disassemble this case is a flat head screwdriver, and what I have here for representation is a multi-tool kit from Columbia, and so this or any flat head, or all you need is even a simple credit card, or any kind of card which is kind of got a flat head on it. So for this example, we would be using this card on one of the case. So this case right here has got 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the side which is flat, so you need to slide this, or you can even slide, so all you need to do is pull it out like this. It's that simple. So if you would try to open from the other side which has got the inputs, it is going to be very difficult, because the hinge that holds this case in place, this hinge, is actually too far. So your force is not going to be applied on the hinge, instead on the plastic. So, and on the other side I'm going to use something like this. So you would need to pry it exactly from the same place as here as well. So go here, simple as that. So if you try to open it from the other side, like I said, it is going to take a long time. Now, to proceed further, set aside this packet if it happens to fall out. You would find this arrow pointing upwards. Press this arrow gently and pull it out, and do the same for the other side as well. So, and easy as that. So now you have successfully disassembled the case. You don't need to take the top portion off. It's to install any Pi heads if you are going to install it, but for the purpose of this video, let's focus on just installing the board only. Inside the pack, Ziploc pack, you would find this small tiny plastic, and it needs to line up where these 2 LEDs go in. So there are 2 holes for LEDs, and this is to line up. Is this necessary? Probably not, but hey, it's a part of the package, you might as well install it. So you would need to put this straight. It's going to take a little bit of time. And just like that. So you need to install the 2 pointed dots should be facing up, and once it's done, let's go ahead and take our board, and the way you put the board is you can't come at a vertical manner because there is a hinge that will prevent you from dropping the board straight, and you need to come at an angle. So you come at an angle more like a 30-degree angle, and you put it here. So the micro SD card side needs to go in first, and then you drop the board. Voila, and that's how you install the board. So as you can see, the board is well seated on all four sides, and if you see a gap, then obviously it means you need to take the board out and install it the right way. So and that's how you install the board. So now you have this plastic facing this side, and the board is well fit on the bottom portion of the case. So now we just need to work our way backwards towards finishing the setup, and let's quickly do that. So while you put this thing back on, and you would do it the same way as well. So you'd put the side that you took off first. So this is the second side. You put that other side first. And similarly here, you put the longer side here first. Line it up, give it a gentle push, and that's how you install the case. If you have any questions, please feel free to write to support@pibox.in. It's support@pibox.in, and you would find it right below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.